Hi there. My project today is this small bowl from a Maple Burl. It amazes me the beautiful things Mother Nature can come up with when she's in a good mood. I just wish she was in a good mood more often. Hi, Jean. So I hope you'll stick around and see how this came to be. It's 5.5 inches in diameter, 1.5 inches tall, and I think the figure in this is just gorgeous. So please stick around. Let's go over and get some work done. I found this piece of burl in a cabinet. It looks to me like it was on a woodworm screw, and I used a parting tool to just cut it off. I must have had a large burl and used the other piece for something else. I do not recall what it was. So I'm going to put this back on the woodworm screw, flatten this off, make a recess so I can reverse it into my chuck jaws. I'll shape it, and then when I do reverse it, I can do the inside of the bowl. This looks like it could be very pretty burl. So mount it on here and we'll see what we come up with. I've marked the recess, and I might just leave this as the foot. So I'll start putting the recess in there. This is a very dry burl. What's coming off of there is small shavings, but a lot of it's just dust. Quite a little hole there. This ring is a little rough that I want to use for the foot. I want to see if I can just barely touch that, clean that up a little. Well, it is better. I think sanding will work. I'll just need to take a little off the outside of this foot. All right, I will sand this off camera now and be back when that's finished. Now I managed to start sanding at 180 grit and go from 180 to 240, and now I've got Axe abrasive paste on here. And I realize that this is going to be fun probably digging it out of some of these holes, but I like the natural look of burl, do not want to fill those. And now I'm just going to use this abrasive paste and then his polishing paste. Oh, that's giving it a nice finish. Now I'm going to apply some of Axe polish restoring paste, and I'll be back to show you the results. Alright, I used pyrography to sign it, identify the species and the year. Got my local coin in. Now I'm ready to reverse this into the chuck jaws. I used these large calipers to measure the distance from the bottom of the woodworm screw hole to the bottom of my logo coin. And this is what I ended up with. It's about 3/8 of an inch, give or take a 32nd. So I have to make sure that I don't go too far below the bottom of that hole. Right, I think I'm ready to start turning the rest of it. Now, of course, I did not have to flatten this down because all of this is going to be removed. I just wanted to do that so I can see the figure and the character in this. And this is just gorgeous, particularly in this area. I really like this right here, and I don't want to lose it. So I'm going to make the rim about a 1/2 inch thick, which is pretty heavy rim for a bowl this small. But I just really like the way this looks. So I'll mark this and start turning this out. All right, I think all that needs is some sanding, axe wood pastes, and it should be finished. Well, I want to thank you for sticking around for this whole video. If you made it to this part, I guess you're here for the duration. So I'm very happy with how this turned out. I love burls. Decent burls are a little tough to come by in this area, so I really envy those people, those turners who live in areas where they're plentiful. But when I can get them, I certainly love to turn them. So thank you for showing up today. I hope you'll come back next time. Between now and then, have a great day in your shop and be safe. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't done that before, and I want to say a big thank you to those who have subscribed. Click the like button if you like this, so I know I'm doing something right, and I'll see you next time. Take care now.